Hey guys, this is Business Person Your Way today again. As you can see on the screen, the signal is awesome. So guys, quick one. I really appreciate everyone that is on my channel and those people that are just passing by that you saw this video. Kindly please like and subscribe to the channel. Please like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. So if I should drop another video, you'll be able to see it. So guys, you can see I dropped this signal on my VIP, then I shared it with my public group, the open group and also the closed channel. So this is Boom 1000 index on M5. You can see this is money, guys. So I dropped the signal on my channel. Now what has happened to Boom 1000 is that Boom 1000 has been going for an uptrend for a while, you can see. And when Boom 1000 gets to the peak, it was exhausted. So Boom 1000 decided to take a trend down. Okay, so you can see it's going down, as you can see. So I have multiple entries with 1.20 lot size. So you can see this is money, guys. Now let me quickly show you the VIP signal that I sent it to. But before that, if you have not subscribed to Business Plus Academy channel on YouTube, kindly do so now and share it with your family and friends, guys. So when we look at the technical analysis, like I've been saying in the previous video, it's very good and it's something awesome for you to recognize a trend before you enter any trade. It's not a must you trade like 5, 10, 15, 20 times in a day before you can make profit, but with one signal you can accomplish a lot. So guys, as you can see on my screen, you can see on M5 it has been selling for over how many minutes now? Let me start counting from above. So we have like 10, 15, 20. No, let me start counting again. Sorry, I can't. I missed like one, like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, then 50 minutes, guys. It has been selling for almost 50 minutes. 50 good minutes. Wow, that's awesome, guys. So you can see we are trading the trend and following the trend down. That's huge, guys. That's huge. That's huge money, guys. So in my previous video I said something about an indicator. If you need an indicator, you can just like, I have the tutorial video on ground, so if you need it, I will send it for you. I'll send it for you. Just join my Telegram channel and send message to me, then we talk from there. Okay, so now let me now show you the signal that I sent on the VIP. Now guys, you can see on the screen, you can see I share it from the VIP and to the public channel. You can see this is Boom 1000. You can see my entry point, which is the EP. The EP is 9,882 that I sent, and presently, if you should see it, because it's selling, it has gone down to 9,855. You can see that's good peeps, guys. So guys, if you want to join my VIP, join the Telegram group, send message to me. The VIP is just $30, and at least I will send you 2 signals in a day, at least. And at most, I can't say at most. So as much as I'm finding the opportunity in the market, I drop the signal for you guys. You just have to like stick with me. So I'm not gonna say I'm the best. God is my best anyway. God is my best. God is my strength, guys. So that's just it for this video, guys. So if you want mentorship, I'll give it to you. We find time with Zoom, then we do a lot. I teach you a lot. Apart from using an indicator, I'll teach you a lot, all what you need to know about trading. So I'll give it to you guys. And also, if you want to subscribe for the VIP. I'll give you the VIP signal. Give you the VIP signal, guys. So that's just it. Thank you for staying tuned on this channel, and thank you for liking and for commenting, for chatting me up. God bless you. Like I used to say, God bless you. God bless you. I really appreciate you guys. You're wonderful. That's why I'm trying to share everything that I know with a little money. And if you are just seeing this video, just chat me up now. I have something for you. I have a very large discount for you. Okay, this is January 2021. Just chat me up. I have something great for you guys. So guys, that's just it. If we should view this on M1, you can see this is massive, guys. Massive, guys. This is money. Okay, guys. So that will be all for today. That will be all for now. So guys, kindly like, turn on the notification bell. Please help me to move this channel to 1,000 people, 1,000 subscribers, 2,000, 10,000. You're wonderful. I love you all. God bless you. Stay blessed. Stay focused. You're gonna make it. You're gonna make more money this year, guys. So, and stay safe. COVID-19 is real. Bye bye.